grade 4. Good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Mr. David.
How are you, grade 4?
Fine, thanks, and how are you, Mr. David?
Fine, thank you. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Right. Okay. Today, we are just doing what the revision grade 4. Yes. The revision for terms 1's work, term 2 as well, term 3's work. Okay. Yes, because we are done with what they content for the whole year. All right. Okay, all right. You are starting with the fraction. Make sure that you tell your brain now. You just want to use what your brain. You must talk what maths. You must show me how much you can do out what they get. All right. Okay. Grade 4. Can you please tell me what is a fraction?
A fraction is a number that can be written in the form of numerator and denominator.
What is the numerator?
A numerator is a top number on the fraction line.
What is the denominator?
A denominator is a bottom number on the fraction line.
What is the equivalent fraction?
The equivalent fraction is a different numerator and denominator.
Yes, the equivalent fraction is whereby we are talking about the same fraction but different denominator and numerator. All right, we have the method that we use to find the equivalent fraction. What method that we use to find the equivalent fraction? Grade 4, yes?
Mr. Good 2, 3, 4 rule.
Yes, again, what method that we use? Yes.
Mr. Good 2, 3, 4 rule.
Yes, we use Mr. Good 2, 3, 4 rules when we are just going to multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 as well, and numerator by 3 as well, the denominator by 3, so that you're just going to be able to find what is the fraction that have what is the same fraction but different what is denominator and numerator. Okay, all right. Then we do the comparison of what is two fractions. Therefore, remind me, when you just want to compare two fractions, what you're going to do? If you want to compare two fractions, what you going to do?
We use greater than, less than, and equals to.
Yes, we use greater than, less than, or equal, whereby we are just going to compare what is two fractions. All right, thank you. All right, if the denominators are the same on those two fractions that we are just comparing, what you going to do?
If the denominators are the same, we only consider the numerators.
If the denominators are not the same,
the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. The smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction.
yes, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. The smaller the denominator, the bigger what is the fraction. If you have two fractions with different what is denominators, we are just going to look at what is the denominator. If the denominator is big, that means that fraction is small. If the denominator is small, that means that fraction is what is big. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. The smaller the denominator, the bigger what is the fraction. All right. Okay. Now we have two fractions. Want to add two fractions with the same denominator. What you going to do, grade 4?
We draw a horizontal line with one denominator and add the numbers to the numerator.
Yes, we draw the horizontal line. We take one denominator, we add the numbers on on the numerator. Therefore, whereby we are just adding two fractions. If we are just separating two fractions, what you going to do?
We draw the on the numerator.
Yes, we draw the horizontal line, we take one denominator, we separate the numbers on the numerator. If you separate what in two fractions with what in the same what in denominator. All right, trade 4. Remind me when you want to do the long division. Remember, we did the long division on term 1. What method that we use when we just want to do what in the long division? What method that we use when we want to do what in the long division? Yes, trade 4.
We divide, we take our answer, we multiply, we subtract, and we bring down.
Yes, we divide, we take our answer, we multiply, we subtract, and bring down. Yes, we normally say that.
Daddy, mother, sister, brother.
Yes.
Daddy, mother, sister, brother.
Yes.
Daddy, mother, sister, brother.
Yes.
Daddy, mother, sister, brother. Daddy, mother, sister, brother.
Okay, thank you. All right. When I just want to solve something, the sum with what different sign, operational sign, addition sign, the subtraction sign, the division sign, as well as multiplication sign. Which method that we use on that sum? Yes,
The
Simon.
must
It is a Bodmer's rule. What the Bodmer's rule says?
brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Okay.
Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Okay.
Brackets of division,
I
multiplication,
will.
addition,
I will.
and subtraction.
Again.
Brackets of division, multiplication,
I will.
addition, and subtraction.
Again.
Brackets of division,
I will.
multiplication,
I will.
addition, and subtraction.
Again.
Brackets of division,
Yes.
multiplication,
I will.
addition,
And subtract. Okay, thank you. All right. Then remember we did what's the perimeter. What is the perimeter trained for? What is the perimeter?
The perimeter is the total distance around a shape.
Where do you calculate the perimeter?
If we have a 2D shape,
How do you calculate the perimeter?
the perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side. It depends on the number of sides that we have on the 2D shape.
What is the area?
Area is the amount of space occupied by a 2D shape.
Again, what is the area?
An area is the amount of space occupied by a 2D shape.
Yes, the area we are talking about the size that the 2D shape is just going to occupy. All right, then remind me what is the 2D shape? What is the 2D shape is?
A 2D shape is a flat shape that has 2 dimensions, which is length and width.
Types of 2D shape is?
Regular shape and irregular shape.
What is the regular shape?
A regular shape is a flat shape that has equal sides and equal angles.
What is the irregular shape?
An irregular shape is a flat shape that has no equal sides and no equal angles.
The example of regular shape?
Square, equilateral, triangle,
are just going to calculate what is the area on, because the area on grade 4, we are just going to look at what is the area of a TT shape, all right? Therefore, we normally say that the area in grade 4, we are just going to look at what is the number of squares that is occupied by what is a TT shape, all right? Therefore, in the exam, I'm just going to give you what is the shape that is drawn under what is under the grid paper or the square paper. Therefore, what we're going to do there, we are just going to calculate what is the number of squares inside. Then after that, we're just going to draw the conclusion that is the area of what is of that 2D shape. Okay? Therefore, and make sure that you understand the area is always measured in what is unit, what is squares. We use the unit what is squares to measure what is the area. All right, okay, grade 4. And let's count with 9. Let's count with 9, all of us.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 99, 108, 108, 99, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 37, 89.
Okay, let's count with 8, yes?
8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 96, 88, 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8.
Let's count with 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 84, 77, 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7.
Let's count with 6.
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 72, 66, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 60.
Thank you, all right, okay, thank you, all right. All right, thank you a lot, and God bless you. See you tomorrow, okay? Goodbye.
Subscribe to Mr. Good.